Hi guys, magandang gabi. So, in this demo, I will show you how to create a policy again. Actually, continuation to nung last na nag-demo ko about NAT and SNAT. So, this time, we will create a policy in which by category. Halimbawa, HTTP and HTTPS or DNS. And then, nandoon yung level of security. Okay? So in this video, I will show you that how to configure it. Okay? So at first, we'll go to the policy and objects, firewall policy, and then from this demo, mag-create tayo na muna ng ating admin internet. So in this demo, I will create the first the base, okay? So admin dash internet. Then incoming interface will be internal. Outgoing interface will be 1. Source is all. Destination is a all also. Schedule is always. Access. Then click natin to lahat. Alright. So okay. Service is all. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Default. Yeah. So that's it. That's it. Ito yung ating ito yung ating nagawa at na-create. So tingnan natin. Ito ay virtual machine, so makikita niyo wala naman siyang bytes na napasok, pero this is how it works. Okay? Second, create tayo for HTTP, let's say. So from that, gagawa tayong policy, right click, copy, and then right click, paste. Kung above or below. Let's say above. So this time, i-edit natin siya, gawin natin siya ng HTTPS. That means dito if i-filter ng firewall kung yung dapat lang na kanyang i-filter. Okay? So, incoming, assist pa rin. One is assist. Source, dito magkakaiba. I-click natin yung HTTPS. Then, all, always, and all. Then, from this security profiles, kung makikita natin, checkin lang natin yung pwede at akma para sa kanya. Since siya HTTP and HTTPS, enable natin dyan yung web filter. Tanggalin natin yung DNS filter. SSL certificate, kailangan. Application control, not particularly, but pwede rin naman. IPS, and file filter. Ayan. So, from that, after nyan, pwede ka dito maglagay na comment. So, lagay mo dito ay HTTP-HTTPS. Then, okay. So, right. So, ito yon. Ito yung kanyang nagawa nating policy from this. Okay? So, ngayon, create naman ulit tayo for DNS. DNS only. Alright? Kung makikita nyo, yung web naka-default, yung app naka-default, yung SSL naka-default. Antivirus is naka-default also. Kung makikita nyo sa admin internet, all na siya. Security profiles niya, in-enable natin lahat. Okay? So, we will go again. Right-click, copy. And then right-click ulit, paste above. And then we will go here as DNS to internet. Yan. Incoming interface is internal. Outgoing interface is 1. HTTPS source will be DNS. Ayan, since DNS tayo, tanggalin natin HTTPS. And then, destination is all, schedule is always, and service is all. Alright. From this demo, tatanggalin natin si web and papalitan natin si DNS. Ayan. So, assist pa rin, tinanggalan natin yung web filter at saka palitan natin ng DNS filter. So, ano yung kailangan? Okay? Then, okay mo siya. Right? So, in this policy, dadaan muna siya ng Mag-filter muna siya through ng DNS and then going to HTTP and HTTPS, then papasok yung admin all. Alright? So, ito yung meaning ng ang configuration ng demo ito or yung pinapakita ko sa demo na to. Alright. So, yun lang. So, another will be going away again for this tutorial ng FortiGate Fortinet. See you guys!